Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build credit with Credit Karma easy tutorial step by step clearly. To build credit with Credit Karma, start by visiting the Credit Karma website or downloading the app. Create an account by providing your email address and setting a secure password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Check your current credit score displayed on the dashboard. Explore the factors affecting your score, which are outlined in your credit report. Review your credit history for any inaccuracies or accounts that need attention. Use the resources provided by Credit Karma to learn about credit scores and how they are calculated. Consider getting a secured credit card if you have limited credit history. Make small purchases with this card and pay the balance in full each month. Set up payment reminders to ensure you never miss a payment. Regularly monitor your credit score through Credit Karma's updates. Take advantage of personalized recommendations for credit cards and loans based on your profile. Always keep your credit utilization below 30% of your total credit limit. Diversify your credit mix by considering different types of credit, such as installment loans. Stay informed about any changes to your credit score by checking it regularly. Engage with Credit Karma's educational content to further understand credit building strategies. By following these steps consistently, you will improve your credit score over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.